Today I'm going to show you delicious vanilla muffins recipe which is 100% gluten free. This recipe will give 100% bakery taste. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special gluten free vanilla muffins. First take 240 grams of watermelon seeds and roast for 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame. After roasting, let them cool down. After cool down, blend them into a fine powder. Now take hot water in a bowl. Place another bowl on the top of the hot water. And now break 3 eggs and add to top bowl and start to whisk. When yolk and white combines well, take 100 grams of powdered sugar, add to the egg by 2 parts and continue to whisk till sugar melts. When sugar melts, add 15 grams of honey and mix well. Honey gives moist texture to the muffins. You can skip honey and increase the sugar, but cake will be dry. When sugar and honey mixed well with the egg mixture, take out the bowl and start to beat with the mixer. Look at the consistency. The batter impressions should stay for a while. This is the right consistency. Now sift in 240 grams of watermelon seeds flour, and 3 grams of baking powder. Mix in a cut and fold method till all the flour mixed well. In separate bowl, take 45 ml of milk and add to the milk 45 grams of melted unsalted butter and 3 ml of vanilla. Now take small portion of batter and add to the milk and butter mixture. Mix well until butter and milk mixture combines well. When the batter mixed well, add this back to cake batter and mix. If you add butter directly to the cake batter, it will not combine well, so that we do it separately. Now drop this butter in an icing bag. Fill the batter in muffin molds up to 80% of the cup level. Now bake in preheated oven at 170 degrees about 20 to 25 minutes. Adjust the time according to your oven. After 25 minutes, my gluten-free muffins are ready. Look at the texture. They are very soft and moist. Very fluffy. Very easy. Try it. Sure you will love it.